Hey guys, good evening. This video is a continuation for my previous gold analysis video. So as a quick recap, I'll start from my weekly time frame analysis. So let's see the window on the left side. So this is a low, high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So this swing is the current swing, and this swing is still on. And the target for this current bull swing is 2017.37. So that is the expected target now. Now, since the swing is still on and there is no trend reversal happen for this swing yet, but we could see a red candle and there is a wick here, which you can see right now. If you see there is a wick here, which is trying to turn into a green right now. Fine. So why was there here the red candles over here? Is that is a small downfall during the bull swing is because of this weekly resistance was high probably, and then the market is slowed down here, but the ascending trend line drawn here looks like the market is taking a support at that line at that area for the time for the current candle actually. Oh, so anybody who has already taken a trade based on this swing in a bull, so they can still hold, and where their stop would be 1975.07. If you see on the right window, which is a daily time frame, you can see that I marked as a stop loss. The stop loss is for a swing, this swing, current swing, which I will be marking it here like this. This swing, fine. But here let's see what now our area of interest is in the this the impulse wave of this particular swing. The reason is because any correction in this swings and the like in the current one, or which is in the future, anything that is going to be a small correction that could be seen in the lower time frame, like any daily time frame or in a 4 hour time frame. So that could be a swing. So in those swings, if we can start making up a trade, as the weekly target is marked to 2214, 2217, I'm sorry. So till then the weekly market will try to push it, as the weekly market, as the weekly trend is in a bull. The lower time frame, like daily or 4 hour, will do a movement in a zigzag manner, like this one. Let me draw it up. So maybe like this, and then it can reach here. I'll change the color here, maybe red and dashed should work. No, let me go with black. Yeah, you see the market can go up like this. So every lows we can do a buy, and we can hold the market till the target. And that this kind of swing, I'm not talking about in a weekly time frame, in a lower time frames like daily or 4 hours. So that kind of time frames, so that opportunities I'm looking for, and at lows, higher lows, we can start doing our buy thing. So that is the idea of this particular video. Fine. So since this swing is area of interest, I'll just mark this and sync in the other layout. So this one, and right now here, in more specific terms, this is the area of more interest right now. So let's switch to daily time frame. So this is my daily time frame. So this stop loss is for the weekly swing. So do not get confused with the current one. Now let's see here. For time being, let's shift it to 4 hours to have better clarity. Okay, so this is a 4 hour. This is a falling wedge. The behavior of a falling wedge is to break upwards. So if you see, I'll draw the full swings here. So the market has broke this here. So this level 202, sorry, $2042.35, and this is the breakout. Now what would be the expected target based on the wedge? I can see multiple patterns in here. So one of the pattern is this wedge breakout, and the target would be the mouth of the wedge. So I'm copying the mouth of the wedge and pasting it up here. So we can expect the target should be 2080.14. So that would be the target for the wedge breakout, and the stop would be 2013.79. Fine. And to this I have added a pole here. So this I am now again the reason why I shifted to 4 hour time frame is to have the market have a better structure of understanding. But in daily, if you go, you can see very very tiny candles. It is not that evident to make out whether there is any formation or structure in them. So in daily time frame, I just started a poll to see what is the figure looks like. It looks like more or less a flag. So usually flag, where the flag should be a like channel and the pole, but here it looks like a kind of wedge or a triangle one, and where you can even make it like a flag. See, it goes within the channel as well. In case if you draw a channel, that goes within the channel too. Let me remove maybe this one time being. If you see, this goes in a channel, so this is a flag. So now, when this flag or a trend reversal, as I said already, this broke this level, the market can come down for a correction as well. So the correction could be till this support 203537, or it can go further down and then the market can rally. So the always market is expected to move in a zigzag manner. So the breakout is done, so anybody is entering now, it will be aggressive trade. After retesting, that is considered as a conservative trade, but the market can come down for the conservative retest or not. So that depends. Fine. So now let's move to the next stage. As the previous pattern which I showed in a 4 hour was a wedge one, I showed the target as well. Now it's a flag. For the flag, copy the pole and paste the pole, and the target would be around 2158.37. So that would be target here. And the last thing to consider for the trend is, I can consider this as a swing here. So if you see here, this is a weekly trend line which I've drawn. Now we have support here, we have support here. Now the market has taken a support here. If the forward, it has broken up, so it has broke here. Since there is the trend has changed now, considering this as a swing, so low high and higher low, which is from here, it has retraced to 61% correction has happened now, and the target would be this one, 2133.75. So this is the expected target right now. So more or less, we can expect the market to move till here based on the trends, what do we call falling wedge and swing and flag. Okay, so these three patterns or a trend indicates that the market is in a bull, in inclusive with there's ascending trend line pattern as well, whereas the market is trying to take a support from that point as well. So overall, if you consider in a weekly time frame, the target is high here, and whereas a daily time frame, the lower time frame, the swings or the pattern like flag or rising wedge breakouts, all these also indicates that the market can move up to 2133, which is the target within the weekly time frame targets. So considering give or take, if the swing target is up here, I think so. No, that this is okay. This 2158 is a flags target. Yeah, so this is a flags target, and the swing target is here. So from risk reward ratio of 1 is to 4 to yeah, 1 is to 3.57 to 1 is to 4.5, 4.8, I guess. Yeah, so that is the risk reward ratio. This is one of the what do we call, the trade is good because the risk reward ratio is better, and the trade we can go have a tight stop loss. This stop loss which I've marked over here, this is for the weekly swing. Right now, for any what do we call, pattern you want to do, like swing or flag basis or the wedge basis, the stop would be here, and the stop would be right now, I'll mark it here for better understanding. I'll mark it in black. Okay, so this stop would be 2015.47, so that would be the stop, and the target is expected from the range of 2134.58 to 2167.34. So this is the range. So as a weekly swing is still hold, Anybody who has already considered the weekly swing, consider this as a stop, and target should be your 2217.37. Okay, so if there is any further update in the trend, or if there is any new pattern formation after that, if there is any other more confirmations are coming up in, I'll post it in my comment section. And thanks for watching, and happy trading.